Chapter 5. Best type of training for muscle building. There are two basic types of training when it comes to muscle building: total body training and split training. Total body training uses exercises that incorporate the whole body or else multiple muscle groups, while split training involves focusing on just one muscle group at a time so that you cover your entire body over the course of a week. Although there are certainly advantages to total body training, most bodybuilding professionals and experts agree that split training is the best way to build muscle over the long term. This is because split training allows you to focus intensely on each muscle and muscle group so you can maximize the results of each workout. It also gives each muscle group more time to recover, which can limit soreness. One of the most important things to remember when doing split training is that you need to make it part of a daily or nearly daily routine so that you can cover every muscle group by the end of the week. You'll also need to make sure you have your days divided in such a way that you have 2 to 3 days in between exercising each muscle group. So that's a brief overview of the types of training most people use to build muscle and increase strength. In the next part, we will uncover a muscle building schedule with the best exercises to perform.